Occidental is a province located in the Davao region of Mindanao, Philippines. The province is known for its stunning beauty, including beaches, waterfalls, and diverse marine life. Tourist attraction: Balot Island, located off the coast of Sarangani Bay. This island is home to crystal clear waters and powdery white sand beaches. Visitors can enjoy swimming and other water activities as well as take in the stunning views of the sea and nearby islands of Sarangani Bay, Davao Occidental.
Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaanon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko.
Mount Candalaga. This mountain offers a challenging trek for adventure seekers. At the summit, visitors are rewarded with stunning views of the surrounding landscape, including the nearby Mount Matumtum and Mount Parker in Malita, Davao Occidental. Gaginaway Festival, a celebration of unity and bountiful blessing celebrated by the Malitaños every full moon of November, based on the traditional costume and belief that full moon is at its brightest during this period, and that the Lumad love to have a festival to merrymaking, enjoying the beautiful view of the moon shining brightly on them. Credits to our very own Benjamin Joseph Bautista, who is the founder of Gaginaway when he was still serving as municipal mayor of Malita. The founder is also known as Dato Alimbungan. The Ginaway Festival is celebrated in full moon date of November every year by the four major Malita, Taga-Kaulu, Balan, Muslim, and Manubo groups. Kapiaan Festival is the festival of the day of establishment of the town of Jose Abad Santos in the area of Davao Occidental. The festival held each 18th to 20th of February, establishing anniversary of the production of the region. Food and delicacies: lauoy, kalderobo, sinuglaw, durian, charcoal ice cream, lechon, buwaya.